It's Alicia's birthday next week, and we're planning to celebrate it early. Got this cake topper from Party City, but I do not like this like pole, so I'm gonna replace it with a straw like that. And then I got this number 2 balloon and this string. It looks like this. Tonight I'm gonna make her cake. Just gonna use this all-purpose flour, butter, egg, and then all-purpose flour, cream of tartar, and baking powder. The recipe is a kind of cake that we make in our region in Sorsogon. We call it mamon. So I really like it because it's buttery. It really tastes good. I'm gonna bake that cake later, but tonight I'm gonna do this Korean radish salad. They call it mosangchae. Here's what we need: radish, onion leeks, and garlic. I use this fish sauce and Worcester sauce and rice wine. We're gonna also need this pepper powder. So here's the onion leeks and the radish. Just gonna add garlic. Hey, that maybe 2 tablespoons. Hey, why are you screaming? Okay, let's start, and then I'm gonna add chili powder, maybe just 1.5. Hey Lydia, why are you screaming there? Okay. Maybe just 1. Let's see. Because this is really spicy. That. And then we're gonna add salt. Maybe a little bit. Just that. And then sugar. Then we're gonna add sugar. Maybe 1.5 tablespoons. There. And then we're gonna add white wine, 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, then 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. This is what I use. Looks like this. Hey Lydia, you're so noisy. What are you doing? Okay, just sing. 1 tablespoon and 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Okay. Hi, and then just mix this. Hey, what are you doing there? Are you okay? Are you okay? Hi, we're making dinner. Let's say hi. Hey. Say hi. Hi. Okay, so that's that. And we're gonna mix this. It really smells so nice. So we're just gonna mix this. And we can just add extra chili powder. This spinach side dish, spinach salad. This These are some of the leftover from last night, and this is our dinner. Already marinate this morning. Garlic, ginger, and rice wine, soy sauce, and honey, or you can use sugar. I'm gonna put this in the air fryer. Just gonna turn this thing on. I'll just put it for 10 minutes. So this is 15 minutes. I add like extra 5 minutes, and this is how it looks like. Hey, you're okay? He is eating, and we usually make separate food. So I'm breaking the cake, just mixing the butter. Here's the cake. Don't worry, I'm gonna remove this top. Here's the cake. I'm gonna cut this right here. So I already cut it in half. Hey girl, hindi pa nga tayo nagpa-party. Oh no, yung cupcake. Here's the cake.
Say meal. Meal.
Made this cake. It is mango flavored cake, and I just use whipped cream for the frosting. Hi Lydia, happy birthday.